Photo retouching can be monotonous sometimes. Hours of blemish removal, dodging, and burning, it's a process most photographers love to hate. But what if you could achieve flawless, high-end edits with just one click, even on a basic laptop? That's exactly what Retouch4me offers. A cloud-powered retouching suite along with plugins that turn complex portrait editing into a streamlined, one-click process. Let's dive into how it works, who it's for, and walk through real editing scenarios to see just how much time it saves. So, Retouch4me is an AI-based photo, retouching plugin and standalone app for Windows and Mac OS. It's powered by multiple smart plugins with neural networks, each targeting a specific part of a photograph: skin, eyes, fabric, lighting, and more. Installing Retouch4me is easy. Just download the installer and plugins from retouch4me. Open it and follow the steps. In Photoshop, you'll find the plugins under Filter Retouch4me. If you're using the standalone app, simply drag and drop your images onto the Retouch4me icon, and the edits will open in Photoshop as layers. For cloud retouching, sign in, upload your images, and the AI will process them online. No installation required. Remember, everything works offline except for the cloud mode. Now, let's go through some top plugins, explain what they do, and show you how the magic works. First up is Retouchhrme Heal. This one's basically your skin cleaning assistant. It automatically removes acne, blemishes, and redness, all while keeping the skin texture intact. So no plastic-looking faces here. Here's a portrait with some breakouts on the cheek. We just run it through Heal, and boom. Clear skin, natural pores still visible. No masking, no brushing, no manual work. Next is Dodge and Burn, and this is where the magic of shaping light really comes in. This plugin automatically lightens and darkens specific areas of the face to give it depth and contour, just like traditional Dodge and Burn, but faster and smarter. Look at this before and after. Under-eye shadows reduced, jawline more defined, and that nasolabial fold. Almost gone, but without making the face look flat. Retouch4me Portrait Volumes. Well, this one's for sculpting the face. Portrait volumes. It enhances cheekbones, defines the jawline, lifts the brow area, and even adds a soft brightness to the eyes and lips. Think of it like subtle 3D modeling of the face, using just light. In this image, the face looks flatter in the before. After applying portrait volumes, you get more facial depth, with cheekbones and jawline gently enhanced. It's like natural makeup contouring. Retouch4me Apex. Now, if you want to do all of that in one go, meet Retouch4me Apex. Apex combines 12 AI models into one plugin. It uploads your image to the cloud, processes it with professional-level retouching, and gives you adjustable sliders for things like skin smoothing, eye clarity, fabric smoothing, and more. We uploaded this casual portrait, and in just one click, it removed blemishes, lifted the features, brightened the eyes, and smoothed out the shirt, all without losing natural texture. Seriously, this is like outsourcing your retouching to a high-end studio. But you want everything inside Photoshop? That's where the Retouch4me Photoshop panel comes in. It adds a neat little panel inside Photoshop where you can access all your plugins like Heal, Dodge and Burn, Portrait Volumes, Eye Brilliance, Fabric Retouching, and more. You can run it locally or use the cloud version, depending on what you've purchased. Open a photo, select Dodge and Burn from the panel, and get results in seconds. Super fast, super clean. You can even batch process multiple photos. Isn't that cool? Now our installed plugins are the core tools that professionals use every day. You pay once and can use them forever. All future updates are included. Cloud retouching and Apex are ideal for tools you use occasionally, or if you're just getting started. It doesn't require installation. Also, new users automatically get 20 free cloud retouching credits to try it out. Right now, you can get up to 45% off with our promo code PIXELED, or check out the link in the description to get the discount. Thanks, Retouch4me, for sponsoring this video. Now, real quick about the credits. When you use the cloud version, like with Apex or the panel's cloud mode, 1 credit equals 1 processed photo. But if you already edited a photo once, exporting it again won't use more credits. Pretty neat. To wrap it up, if you're into portrait photography or professional retouching, the Retouch4me plugins will save you hours of work. Try the August deal to get the best price. And do let us know in the comments if you want us to showcase other plugins for retouching. Subscribe for more content like this, and as always, thanks for watching.